Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Toby, and in today's video I'm going to be doing this super cute, super easy, just like winter glam. I'm pretty, no, yeah. Yeah. I'm obsessed with this look, so I really want to show you guys how I did it. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, then please keep watching. Let's get into it. Oh, my camera is literally like it's on red and I'm filming this and I'm really dumb, so yay. It's so cold. Sorry, I had to have a hot coffee because I'm freezing. Ugh. So I'm gonna start off this tutorial with my eyebrows. Oh, my dog made a really big noise. I am gonna do my eyes first, obviously. I'm going for like kind of a wintry vibe, but also like pops of, like, I don't know, like a winter vibe, but a pop of color. I have some things in mind, but you know, I don't know yet. Also just using my super expensive Kmart eyebrow pencil. This is $3 in the shade. It's either in the shade light. It's in the shade light. Then I'm just going to take my Tarte Shape Tape. This is a fair and neutral, and I'm going to carve out my brows real quick. Okay, so sorry if the quality has changed. My camera did die, but you know, we're just going to film it on here because I think they're the same. Well, they're supposedly the same megapixels anyway, so we will just put it on here. I'm just blending that out, and then I'm going to take more of my Tarte Shape Tape and I'm going to pop that on my eyes or my eyelids to prime them for the fun. So I have my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I also have my Violet Voss Pro palette. I don't know which one I'm going to use. And then to make it even more complex, I have both my Huda Beauty palettes. So I have the is it Desert Dusk palette and then the Rose Gold palette. So I think I'm going to go like really burgundy on the eyes, and then yeah, I'm also going to be taking these little eyeshadow covers. I just picked these up from Primark when I was in the UK, and they were £1 and they were great. Well, they not were, but they are great. There's a 30 pack in here, so if you live in the UK, go get these. Oh my god, I always have like one specific brush I use for my transition, and if I can't find it, that's just really annoying. Oh my god, I can't find it anywhere. I literally had to stop recording to look for this, and I was holding it the whole time. I've lost the plot. Oh, and I can't really express emotions right now because my eyes are so stiff. I'm gonna take the Violet Voss, which one is this? Holy Grail palette, and I'm gonna take the shade Transition because I'm gonna put that in my transition. Oh my god, I feel like an idiot right now. Also, I'm not setting my base, I'm just going straight in with this color. Then I'm just going to dip into hashtag, which is up here, and that's like more of an orange. I actually really like this palette. I don't get to to use it as much as I want to, but I picked it up in Sephora when I was in Vegas and I just love it. I'm just building up that really warm tone. I think I'm gonna go in with Wine and Dine, which is this one. Okay, that's definitely not dark enough for what I wanted. I'm gonna take, I think this is called Hillstar. No, I want this one. Yeah, I think this is called Hillstar, and this is the Jaclyn Hill palette, so I'm just gonna go in with that because I feel like this might be darker. I'm not getting that deep color I want, so. I'm gonna go with this one right here. This is more like a toffee color, and this one's called Soda Pop. Also, I think that other one was called Jax. This one right here. But I'm gonna go in with this dark one right here, which is like nearly black, but not black. I'm not gonna blend this out like too crazy because I do just want like some definition. Yeah, that's definitely like the color I wanted. I'm gonna take that original brush we used and just soften the edge on the side. Then I'm gonna take my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette and I'm gonna take Fling, which is this one up here, and I'm gonna pop this all over my lid. It's these colors, like specifically why I'm doing this my eyes first, just because these tend to have a lot of fallout. Ow. I think I'm gonna leave the eyes for now. Oh, should I? I'm gonna do winged eyeliner. I'm just gonna take this little Stila Stay All Day liquid waterproof eyeliner. I love consistencies like this with eyeliner because some of them do not work over glitters. Oh my god, the eyeliner. This side sucks. Like it sucks so bad. I'm covered in this, in the glitter from that palette. Okay, so this is the Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I have the shade F2. This foundation is so good. I was like so upset in the UK. I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna fall in love with this foundation and I'm not gonna be able to use it. I was so annoyed because I've always had their concealer. I ordered it from Beauty Bay, so I don't know why I was like, oh, but still, now it's in Australia. I'm so happy about it. Okay, next product I'm using is my Tarte Shape Tape again. Yep. I've actually started to not set my actual face. Like I used to like cover it in powder and not set it because I hated like the tacky feeling. But this foundation dries so matte. I don't even know if it dries matte, like, I don't know. But it dries so well, it feels like powder, and it's so good. So the only time I'll put powder on top is if I need just like a little bit of extra cover. I don't know if this is just like a winter thing. I could feel very differently about it about not setting once summer comes around, but at the moment, I'm enjoying my time. So I've just been setting my concealer with the Savvy Translucent Setting Powder. So just set under my eyes and in my forehead wrinkles that I'm developing. And on the sides of my nose. Then I'm going to go in with blush. This is the Mecca Maxima Rose Gold Skin Halo. Skin Halo in Rose Gold, yeah. This has like shimmer in it, so it's really lovely. I feel like it complements the eyes quite a lot. I'm just going to do my whole face and then I'll finish the eyes. I'm not done. Actually, I'll put my mascara on because I hate waiting for mascara to dry. This is the Lash Princess Mascara by Essence. I think there's nothing worse than like a wet mascara. I think we'll use my Hoola. I have this little palette from Hoola from Benefit. So it's got the 3 of them here. This was exclusive to Supre. I'm not too sure if they still sell them, but it'll be on their website. So I'm just going to take Hoola. I have so many Hoola bronzers. It's not a joke, but it is such a good bronzer. I've never actually tried Hoola Light. I don't drag this down my neck when I'm pale. So I never really know if this is like a good shade while I'm pale, but it doesn't not work. It probably is too dark for me, honestly, but you know, I live in denial of my paleness, so I'll live with it. Then I just take a fluffy brush and I'll just put this down the sides of my nose. Palette, I'm going to be taking the I Like Your Face palette by, or it's called the Gimme More palette. I don't know why they put these things on the front, but it's the Gimme More palette. And I'm going to take Bottomless, this bright one here. I forgot about this, and then I realized I'm really pale, so I could probably use this today. I don't know if that's really giving off anything. Oh, there we go. Finally getting somewhere. I'm just going to take a little bit of my finger, pop that in my inner corner. Then I'm going to be taking the Jaclyn Hill palette again. I'm going to be taking, what are these ones at the bottom? Jada. This, actually I might take the sparkly one. The blue, and I'm going to run this under my lower lash line. Actually, I'll just take a combination of the sparkly one and the non-sparkly one. Oh, I love pops of blue. They're so cute. Like, it's just, ugh, so nice. I'm just going to take some black eyeliner for my waterline. Then, hopefully, I can get this bit in. If this is in, I'll be happy. I'm going to be taking these pre-glued lashes by Ilua. These are, what are these ones called? These are the 141 exaggerated pre-glued lashes. These are such a holy grail. I can't even stress. Like, these are so good. So I know I talked a little bit about these in my last video or the one before that, but these are essentially just pre-glued lashes. They're completely reusable, and obviously once they run out of stick, you can just take the little glue strip off of them and put glue on them. So nice and easy. It's on. Yeah, these are so good. Literally, that took me no time at all. I freaking love these lashes. Like, I'm obsessed with them. I didn't really, like, I genuinely didn't think I'd be this obsessed with pre-glued lashes. I tried them like once, I don't know, maybe like 2 months ago, and I just didn't think anything of it. And now I'm like, oh my god, these are the best things ever. And this is not sponsored. Like, these are just so good. Like, I want every style, and I want more of these ones. These are so good. Just going back in. with that same mascara. Finish it off with a lip look. I use the same lip in every video. I should probably change it up. This is Centerfold by Chi Chi. I have the lip and a lip liner. So happy with how this turned out. I think it is like so nice and wintry, and I think it's cute, and I freaking love the pop of blue. I have blue eyes, so I know some people say that they don't like counteract, but I feel like the jewelry tones, the reds and then the blue, it just like makes your eyes pop. I feel like even if you don't have blue eyes, because why not? It's just a fun look anyway. I think it is just such a cute look, and I am obsessed with it. Even my like bunged wing eyeliner, they can't even tell. I mean, I'm gonna pretend to have to. But yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please, oh, and we made it through without losing battery for the second time. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button down below. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.